Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue where brightness is not working on Windows 11. And now let's get started. If your brightness slider is not responding in Windows 11, do not worry. The first step is to try adjusting the brightness directly. You can search for brightness in the Windows search bar and select the option to change the brightness level. Sometimes this direct adjustment can resolve the issue. If you are still experiencing problems with your screen brightness, the next solution involves checking your display drivers. Open the Device Manager by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Once Device Manager is open, locate and expand the section for display adapters. Right-click on each of the display adapters listed and choose the option to update drivers. Perform this driver update for all display adapters found. Another effective method is to ensure your Windows operating system is up to date. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab. In the right pane, click on Check for Updates. Installing any available updates can often resolve hardware-related issues, including brightness control problems. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.